In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to react to messages on WhatsApp web. Reactions are a quick way to acknowledge or respond to a message without typing, and they work great on the desktop. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for WhatsApp web. You can also go directly to web.whatsapp.com. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a large QR code on the screen. Make sure your browser is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Next, you'll link your phone to the web session by scanning that QR code. On your phone, open WhatsApp and use the Linked Devices option to add a new device. When your camera opens, point it at the QR code on your computer screen. As soon as it scans, your chats will load in the browser and you'll be logged into the same account that's on your phone. If the code doesn't scan right away, try increasing your screen brightness and hold your phone steady for a second or two. If you're on a shared computer, avoid staying signed in after you're done. With WhatsApp web open and your chats visible, go to the conversation that contains the message you want to react to. Move your mouse pointer over that specific message. As you hover, a small toolbar will appear near the message bubble. This is your cue that more options are available. Click the smiley face icon, the emoji icon, on that toolbar. This opens the reactions panel right next to the message. You'll see a set of commonly used reactions ready to go, which is the fastest way to respond. Choose one of the 6 default emojis if you see what you want. Just click it, and your reaction will instantly appear beneath the message. This is a lightweight way to say "got it," show appreciation, or keep the conversation moving without adding another text reply. If none of the default choices fits, click the plus icon to open the full emoji picker. Here, you can search by typing a word, like thumbs, heart, or laugh, or scroll through categories to explore more options. When you find the emoji you want, click it to apply the reaction to that message. You'll see it show up immediately, and the sender will be able to view it on their end as well. That's all there is to it. Open WhatsApp web, scan the QR, hover over the message, click the emoji icon, and pick your reaction. Simple, fast, and perfect for staying responsive without breaking your workflow.